Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to play white noise on Android. Playing white noise on your Android phone can help you fall asleep faster and improve the overall quality of deep sleep, which many people find hard to achieve. And here's one of the best apps to play white noise on Android. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Then tap the search icon and tap the search bar. Type white noise light and tap install. Wait for the app to finish downloading, then tap open to open the white noise light. Allow any required permissions. Then go to the sound list by tapping the manage, then go to the sounds. Choose white noise to play it. Then adjust the volume using the app slider or phone buttons. Then lock your phone. The white noise will continue to play. Here's why I choose white noise light. It is free and offline. It is simple, no cluttered controls. It is great for sleep, focus, and relaxation. It can use low battery usage.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.